Hebei Tengfei Wire Mesh Corporation Limited is a manufacturer specializing in various wire mesh and metal fence. Tengfei currently exports its products to 25 countries, such as Australia, United States, Germany, Russia, England, as well as throughout Southeast Asia. We can do customization according to customers' requirement. We provide CAD drawing and design. The workers are all experienced to make sure the best quality of the products. Tengfei is a well-qualified and well-resourced business dedicated to being the most reliable and professional global manufacturer. Tengfei produces a wide range of wire mesh and fences. Our featured products are mainly covering woven wire mesh, farm fence, solar panel mesh, gutter guard mesh, aluminum mesh, metal fence, bird spikes, bunny barricade, other pest control products. We owned, made, and operated. Today, our products are widely used in various industries and in homes. Our awarded quality certifications include Restriction of Hazardous Substances, SGS, and we have more than 10 patents. With the hard work of our dynamic teams, we have grown by leaps and bounds. The annual turnover reaches $20 million now. Our business is still developing on the booming way. In order to continue stable growth while focusing on the future of the company, we must constantly cultivate new markets. Our company strives for providing superior products and best services to customers as always.